Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh. In today's session, we will discuss about the difference between wait and sleep methods in Java threads. This is one of the most important entry question. Let's check all the features one by one. The wait method is belongs to the object class, and whereas sleep method it is related to the thread class. And wait method it is not a static method, and sleep method it is a static method. And coming to wait method, at the time of synchronization, the wait method releases the object. Coming to sleep method, at the time of synchronization, the sleep method does not release the object or lock actually. And coming to wait method, we can call the wait method only from the synchronization context. Coming to the sleep method, we can call the sleep method from the outside of the synchronization context actually. And coming to wait method, the constructor of the wait method is defined as following way: public void, public final void, wait, and then long milliseconds actually. And the constructor of the sleep method is following way actually: the static void sleep long millisecond, and which throws the interrupted exception. The wait method has three overload methods, which is shown as shown below: wait, wait long milliseconds, and nanomilliseconds, and timeout, wait long timeout actually. We need to specify the interval here. The sleep method has two overload methods, which are as shown below: sleep long milliseconds and integer nanoseconds, and coming to sleep long milliseconds actually. Let's check all the features in Eclipse tool. So let's check it. I'm going to create class called wait demo, which is having main method. So now what I can do is I will just directly use this method here: sleep test rate, sleep method test. Okay, so thread dot sleep method. Okay, as we discussed, this sleep method is available inside the thread class actually. Okay, so now what I am doing is just creating 2000 milliseconds as 2 seconds actually. Just add the interrupted exception here. Okay, the main declaration. Give some sysout also here, thread dot check the thread dot current thread, thread dot current thread. Okay, dot get name method, we need to use it. What is the thread name? And then followed by, okay, thread start. So after 2 milliseconds. Okay, this is the message we are giving it here: thread rate. Okay, this is the message. Let's check it, so what is the output for this program? See, so main thread. Okay, since we have not created any child threads, main thread start after 2 milliseconds. Okay, this is the the thread, the declaration, and also so we need to call it. Okay, let's create so the run method also. Okay, public void run method, and check it so here also you can keep it thread dot sleep some milliseconds. Okay, some sleep milliseconds, because we need to add the declaration here also for this one. And in order to start this one, we need to create the extend the thread class. Okay, let's see that, this one, right? Okay, 3 seconds you can just give it. Okay, 3 seconds you can give it here. Now you can create the object actually here. Okay, let's create the object here. So, okay, in the main method, you can create the object like demo equal to new object creation. Okay, so now you can check it demo dot, okay, start method. Start method does not present actually here until or unless we can extend the thread class here. Okay, extends thread. Now the start method will be available. Okay, start method. See here, start method, it is available. Okay, so now check it what is the issue here. You can here, okay, just remove the exception run, and just surround with the try catch blocks. Okay, so just remove this one. Now you can, what we can do is just run this one here. Okay, and see the program. Okay, main thread start like in after 2 milliseconds, and this is the child thread actually. Okay, this is the child thread. So okay, this is the child thread. See the output here. See the thread 0, which is child thread, start after 3 milliseconds. This is all about like the sleep method. And now we can just run it like check it static object, okay, obj equal to new object, okay, new object. Now you can check the synchronized, I mean that wait method actually. Okay, this is the wait method, wait method testing. Okay, now what we can do is synchronized synchronized of object we need to give it. Okay, now obj dot wait method we need to give like any like so simply wait we can give, or else like we can give the certain milliseconds also. Let's try it 2000 milliseconds and just check the some print statement here. Okay, now you can just print it here. Okay, like object, okay, start, it will start after after 2 milliseconds, 2 milliseconds. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, how it will execute it actually. Okay, now I am running the program initially. Okay, see here the main thread actually the tail thread will start in milliseconds, main thread will start in milliseconds actually. Okay, and this is the like synchronized block actually. Okay, it will start, this is the object start after 2 milliseconds. If you want like you can put it something like synchronized block. Okay, synchronized 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 thread. Okay, block just for reference. Okay, now I executed the program. You can see main thread will start after 2 milliseconds and child thread will start after 3 milliseconds, and java.lang data object, okay, the synchronized, okay, start after 2 milliseconds. Okay, this is all about like the difference between, okay, the wait and sleep methods in Java threads. Okay, please practice it, then you will get like so the complete idea about like how to use this wait and the sleep methods in Java threads. You will get like the complete idea. Please like this video, share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.